few clicks away from
breakfast. Talks a lot. So no paralegal actually in a law firm.
it's a Sunday, of course, and we'll be going.
Psalm 23, 4. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me.
So hey, good morning mga bay mga inday. So today we will be doing a short review of our Honda PCX 160 3-month review. We just washed this thing and yeah, it's raining, so it's kind of bad. We washed it while it was raining. Anyway, what we just went through a short wash of the scooter, and after this we will be going on a long drive. It's a Sunday, of course, and we'll be going out for a drive just for the performance part of the review. Anyway, this is how it looks. This is a November 2024 model. I know the new model has not come out yet, and so yeah, it looks like this. And some people are kind of weirded out by the look. They say, forgive the chickens, there's tons of roosters in here, but some people would say they don't like how it looks. They say it looks like a jet ski. I kind of dig it. This jet ski kind of looking thing, to me it looks like a jet ski. It looks like a Tron of some kind, and so yeah, I dig it a lot, especially with the lights on. When the lights are on, you guys can see it now because of course it's daytime, and even if I turn it on, it won't really show that well. But I do have a video with this thing running, and you can see the lights and all that, so yeah, you won't miss it. And just one disc brake here. This is of course the combi brake version. We don't have the ABS version since it's quite expensive and I don't have the budget for it. The one with the ABS I believe has ABS and TCS as well, but this will suffice for city rides and of course a bit of short rides on the weekend, long rides on the weekend. So it has digital panel. I like the fact that this one is always blue. It looks like it's always turned on, but it's not. So it's blue. It has your regular switches, high and low. Bad thing is, doesn't have a passing light whatsoever. So I usually just do a fast click of high and low if I want to do some sort of a passing light action. A good sized horn button, of course your signals. You have a, what do you call this, auto start and auto off when you are idling, so it turns off the engine so it's not eating a lot of gas. You have a hazard light and of course a starter, and of course use your brakes. Let's turn it on for you guys to hear. As you can see, there's some checks and there's 3 bars in it. I'll be going out for a ride today, North of Cebu, to find some bingka, and I'll probably take a dip in the beach sometime. This is free beach, so I hope you guys don't expect much on that. There's time. We can adjust the brightness. There's an alarm for this thing, which is a good one here in the Philippines. So let me just turn it on. Turn it on since the side stand is up. Okay, doesn't detect the key. So yeah, it's an issue with the PCX. Sometimes it does not detect the key right away. Here you go, it's already turned on, and one of the good things I find with this motorcycle is that the engine cuts off when you put down the side stand. One issue here is this one. This one takes a lot of time to open. So I've been through a lot of gas stations and this thing just won't open even if you press the fuel. Here, this one, even if you press the fuel button, the flap won't open. So yeah, that's quite annoying. I've heard from gas station boys that it's not just the PCX that has this issue. The NMAX has it as well. I did find a remedy online, but I did try it. It's gonna open half the time it does not. So yeah, bear that in mind when you're trying to purchase something like this. They are around the 160 range that has the same something flap. Okay, now one of the things that I like about the PCX, and I hope most people will like as well, is the position here. You see, you can have a standard position while riding. Your feet are upright, your legs are upright, I mean, and you can have a stretch position right there. So once you get sore riding on your motorbike or your scooter, you can just from that position up into that. So there you go. I find that's quite comfortable, especially on long distance rides. I will be testing that later, that you'll be doing something like this instead of just your standard position. That's gonna, yeah, that will probably give you sores the whole day. This one, of course, it looks so neat and tidy. I could see it's some sort of a ninja inspired kind of thing going on here. So you can see it's just tucked in and it doesn't look like any foot pegs whatsoever. But once you open it, there you go. You have a good foot peg for your pillion rider, your OBR, so you don't have a bad time. Although my wife finds this, oh no, I find it obtrusive because I put my feet here and it hits my leg, but overall, I guess for other people, it's gonna suffice. This one has around 15.8 horsepower, belt driven, no, not belt driven, CVT, and around 157 cc of displacement. CVT, of course, 15.8 horsepower. See, here's your CVT. Here it says enhanced smart power. This is a Honda's thing. Even the Honda Click has this. I mean, most of the guys who I know has a Honda Click have issues with it. I hope PCX doesn't. Also has 8 liters of fuel. Basically, I'm getting around 20 in the city, 21, 22 kilometers per liter. But in the highway, I'm expecting to get around 29 to 30, more or less, because this thing hasn't been broken in yet. And so yeah, this thing is still about 200 plus on its auto, so we still have to get riding. This is the worst of the whole damn thing. This scooter, for me, yeah, you have to change this. You can't adjust for preload, you can't adjust for anything. It's just a plain dumb suspension. So I'm looking at for the next project for this thing, I have to change this. My wife and I complain my back hurts. You know, I'm not that young anymore. And so you see it's just, yeah, it's plastic in the inside, there's spring, and yeah, the quality is just really bad. I think you can just get what do you call this, an upgrade version for just around 8 grand Philippine money. So for foreigners out there, just $100 something. So not that bad. Of course, at the back you have this as well. It's combined with the front brake, so when you grip on the left hand lever, it brakes the front and the back, a bit of the front, I guess. But of course, for safety, just grip on the front as well. So I think that's about it for the short review. Oh yeah, you guys want to see the U-box or the under storage for this thing? Let's just turn it off. Give me a sec. Okay, let's open this thing. This has around, I don't know how many liters, not sure about that, but this thing can fit a full face helmet, a small one, smaller size one, and the rest, yeah, you just have to manage. It's not that big, but it fits a small size, full size helmet. Of course, a half size helmet will fit, and 8 liters of fuel, so it will get you a long way here in the Philippines, where the prices of gas here. So not that bad. So this is how it looks when it's turned on. The lights, I mean. So yeah, you know, you get what I mean about when it looks like a Tron of some sort. You see the backlights, the strip of LED here. Damn, yeah, looks like a Tron of some sort. And the back lights, of course, looks so cool. You should definitely see some good inspiration, right? Basically, the silhouette of this thing, yeah, one can tell it's really jet ski inspired. But hey, who doesn't like a jet ski? I don't know who. But here you can see on the instrument panel again. This is how it looks when it's turned on. All the hazards going on. And at the back, I mean at the front, so you guys can see. Let me just go down a bit. So This is how it looks when I set big ass jet ski and a Tron look. This looks better at night, believe me. So yeah, looks so awesome for me, especially in this color. The best color there is though is the red one, the matte red. Just didn't get that since they didn't have any stock available, but this one will suffice. Looks good for me. The white attracts a lot of dirt, but this, yeah, just blends in.
Okay. Alright, good morning, brothers and sisters. How are you? Happy weekend to everyone. Today we will be reviewing our Honda PCX 3-month review. 3 months review, so 309. I mean 320 on the odometer. So it will be our first review of this scooter, or a motor, or scooter for it run around 320 kilometers already. So it's still a little bit fresh, but I've been using it for 3 months more or less. Yeah, 3 months plus, I guess. And we are stuck in freaking traffic. And we'd be very happy to show you where to buy one of the best here in the province of Cebu. So we were from the city and of course heading towards the northern part of the province. So it's about 11:54 in the morning. Yeah, it's about to turn to the afternoon and it's getting hot. It's not that hot, it's just raining. There's a bit of a drizzle this morning. Yet we are out for a review, and I was thinking I would do the review at home. I mean, just cruise around town, but my wife said, why don't we go out and do the review somewhere else, like a long ride, like show the people around, like places we'd love to go, food we'd love to eat. And so I was thinking, yeah, let's just get the Binta for now. And so here we are, heading north on a good weather Sunday. Unfortunately, traffic's not that bad. It's only on the part of the town. And the roads here are kind of good too, except for the ones in the Loan, which is almost near the city. It was horrible because there were construction stuff going on. Yeah, that's just first thing I have to say about this scooter is, as an owner of this scooter for 3 months, good God, it's suspension. My back hurts a lot. It's just the worst. I mean, this is the second scooter that I've used, motorcycle, I think. I've used the Honda XRM, as I've said in my previous vlog. That's the one that I practiced using a motorcycle. That was my cousin's, and it was a bit, I don't know, I thought it was kind of okay. I wasn't too convinced it was good, but it was okay. I didn't have any complaints. Here, which I'm using almost on every weekend, good God, my back complains. It's so freaking painful in my lower back. I don't know why. I thought at first, I was thinking, wow, but goodness gracious, people are changing their suspensions. I thought that could be like just a aesthetic change, but now, yeah, I understand why they're changing the suspensions at the back with those things with the canisters. Wait, it's getting hot. Thank goodness we're using a new helmet. I hope you watched the previous vlog where we bought a new helmet. It's Nomad. It's the one I'm using now. Wife is with me, of course. She's the one using the camera, the phone, because I still don't have a action cam. There is me. Don't have any action cam. It's kind of expensive to buy a GoPro. I'm looking for other brands, of course. So I love the roads here. So here's the Ford Ranger at our back. The damn thing is violating towards me, so I'm gonna be on the side just to be safe. Because this guy is freaking big, and we don't have nothing to protect us. I'm not using my car, so nope. Holy crap! Okay, so we have to get ahead of this path. So as I was saying, yeah, that gas flappy thing, yeah, it's annoying. So Took me a while to understand that yeah, you have to have some small object, a thin object like a credit card or an ATM or something, just something to pry it open with. The other ranger is there. She's yeah. Oh god, she's full. Oh no, she's freaking full. Yeah. Sorry about the cursing there. Got used to that. And another Hilux. Yeah. But what else? Economy. Huh. Mileage. I'm thinking this thing hasn't been broken in yet. I barely use it. So I said just on weekends. I'm about 31.1 kilometers per liter at 323 on my odometer. So, look at that. 31.1 kilometers per liter. That's good for me. Okay, that's good. Now, for those of you who watch my previous videos and said, this guy used to speak in vernacular or Bisaya or Tagalog. I don't speak Tagalog, but Bisaya. And now I'm speaking in English. Oh goodness, I apologize guys, but YouTube, well, you don't get much views in when you speak in Bisaya. And so I thought, hey, I transition into English. I speak the language quite well, I think. Hopefully, I'm not murdering any of it. And so that's why I'm speaking in English. And so hopefully from now on up until, I don't know when I'll be doing this up until when, but I will be speaking in English up until then. So yeah, hopefully you guys can just understand what I'm saying. I know you guys are smart. You guys are witty and intelligent, and thank goodness for that. God bless you guys. I just wish they added a passing light. I don't know, for some freaking reason, Honda did not add a passing light, and so what I have to do when I wanna use a passing light of some sort and just think of, hey, I have a passing light. I just flip the high switch and low switch fast enough. And so, there you go. I have my own passing light. A poor man's passing light, as I may say. As they say. So we're ready. Oh, wow. Look at the view, guys. Brothers and sisters, look at the view. It's amazing, ain't it? So that's why I love to ride in here. The view's quite good. Oh, we'll be stopping there later. Yeah, I'll be taking a dip. Oh, there's tons of people there. I wonder if I want to take a dip. I wanted to take a dip where, there's not a ton of people in it. Because, of course, who wants to take a dip if there's tons of people taking a bath and so on? You just want somewhere where it's, chill and a bit silent. Like what I will be doing now. Staying silent so you guys will enjoy. Yeah, so besides all that, I can keep myself silent. So besides all that, I don't have much in terms of complaints about the motorcycle. Good thing is, yeah, how it handles economy in terms of mileage. It's good. It's just suspension's worse. How it picks up speed. I'd say it's good enough. For a 160cc 15.8 horsepower motorcycle, yeah, I think it's 15.8 HP. The throttle's good. The response from the throttle is good. Yeah, it's not the fastest, of course. It's oh god, it's just a scooter. That hurt. It's just a scooter, but when you just twist on the throttle, it freaking goes, and it goes and goes. Up until 110, I guess. So yeah, not that fast, but he needs to go so fast in a city anyway. I think he'll just be showing off. See, it's good. The brakes are good. I feel the bite every time. This is the combi brake version. It's not a one with the ABS and the PCS, so we don't have the money for that yet. I hope you can save, but it's good. When you apply the left-hand brake, when it brakes, of course, it's amazing. It brakes the back as well. And so, oh, what's wrong with this guy? So there you go. That was an example of me gripping on the rear brake and the front brake, of course, grips as well. It's a combi brake, but just a precaution if it's on a straight road and I really want to stop quick, emergency stop. I also grip the front brakes just to be safe. That's how it should be, I think. So good. I want you guys to enjoy the view. Look at the view. Yeah, who doesn't want to see that after a long, hard day of work? If you guys wondering what kind of work I do, yeah, I'll just share it because the kind of person talks a lot. So I'm a paralegal actually in a law firm. I work as a paralegal for a personal injury law firm. So yeah, based out of, believe it or not, Texas, in all places. Yeah, so I work for a tax law firm based out of Texas. So we handle cases, a lot of cases with motorcycle accidents, vehicle accidents, and all that stuff. Oh, tastes good. So besides that, the windshield, I mean, whatever you call this, in the car you call it a windshield, but this one, the windshield. The one in front of the scooter, it doesn't do much. It's just there for styling, as others, of course, and I would have wished that they made it a little bit high. Sometimes, if it's on a long ride. Yes, of course, with noise and all that. But besides that, I don't have any other complaints anymore. The brakes are good, the acceleration for me is okay, not the best, but yeah, okay. And we'll take a gander at the whole thing, the whole scooter later today. For now, let's just enjoy the ride and look at the freaking view, ladies and gentlemen. View's amazing, ain't it? All right. I love Sunday rides. It's a chill ride. It's just me and my wife forgetting all the paperwork at work. And I mean, car guys. I'm a car guy. I'm gonna say car guys are just motorcycle guys who haven't discovered their love for motorcycles, just like me. I used to be a very good car guy. Loves a Civic, a sidecar, of course. And loves your Subaru Impreza and all that. Loves big ass SUVs. But when I started riding my motorcycle, yeah, for me, I really enjoy it. It's one heck of a ride. Come on, brother. Yeah. And your Toyota Wigo. Oh, Wigo. Vios. My bad. And so, all have to go. There's tons of people going out today for beach. I wanted to take a bath. Well, if I just find a beach that's not that populated, I guess. Me and the wife. We'll see. You got the gas, and so you got the whole day. Although I don't want to be on the road up until evening since we don't have a MDL or driving light. So we'll see. We'll see. So wow, what motorcycle is that? Looks like a Ducati. No, it's not. It's a Honda. It's a Honda CD something. I don't know what CD was that. Where is this Binka place? Huh. I never thought it was quite far. I thought it was quite near the... Oh, God, it's a GS. Is it? No, it's not. It's a Kawasaki Versus. I love one of those, but I'm not able to reach the... I'm a bit tippy-toe on that thing. I'm just around 5'6", 5'7". 5'7" at the best, I'd say. And so, yeah. So all that stuff, with regards to the scooter, the mirrors, well, that's okay. They're okay. I'm not the kind of guy who changes a lot with my cars before, with the vehicles that I own and now with the scooter. I'm not the kind that just want to modify it a lot. I just want to keep it as stock as possible. So I don't want to have headaches when things go wrong because it's not installed properly. And so I'm quite satisfied. The only thing that I'm planning to change on this Honda PCX 160 is the suspension, which I have complaints. I'm thinking my wife has complaints too. It's really, really rough. I mean, I don't know if you. I was looking at Google if I can adjust the preload and all that stuff, but nah, you can't. And so you have to suffer the pain on your buttocks. Huh, where's this bunker place? Oh, hold on. I have no idea. I think we just passed it, but I should have seen if we passed it, since so it's quite sure it's not yet. I haven't passed it yet. Well, I was just busy talking. Did you guys see it on the video? Because I haven't at all. Can you comment down below and say, hey, dude, you passed it already. Hey, you saw it, you passed it already. No, I don't know. That big ass boxer is just staying inside. Oh, that hurt. See? That's what I said. When you just hit a pothole the size of a knuckle. Whew. Yeah, good luck with your bum. I wonder where it is. I don't know. See? It's just the suspension. It's bad on this thing. And the flappy gas thing, of course, as I said. It's just not so good. I'm gonna change this once I get the budget. I would definitely change it. We have to stop because I have to ask my wife about this. Oh, there it is! Huh! And I thought we've passed it! Woo! Yay! Where it is? Huh. Is it? Is it that place? Is it? Huh? I don't know. Let's see. Last time I was here, I was on a car. So, big that. Forgetful me. Oh, my bad. It's not it. Oh, okay. I have to stop, guys. I have to stop because my wife's hand is about to get freaking deleted.
So we finally found the elusive Vinca again. So yeah. So the next first we're in the North of Cebu. Looks like wife is getting some. It's a short one. Last time we went here, I was using my car. Now, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but god damn it. And I hope you guys can. There you go. She's buying some. PCX was very okay today. I love the fact that there was a charger on it. And yeah, after that we'll be heading for some lunch. Yeah, small, but it's good. I don't know, how much did you buy? It's just like for breakfast. Since we passed the place anyway for the test drive. So yeah, we're good to go. Heading out again. So brothers and sisters, so we're able to get into a beach just a few clicks away from where we stopped a while ago. And I know the audio wasn't that good, sorry about that. Yeah, we still don't have proper gear yet. But soon enough, yeah, we'll get one. But yeah, I was able to take a dip, just a short dip. It's about 12:45 noon time, so yeah, it's kind of hot. But I guess, you know, a good ride wouldn't be a good ride without, you know, dipping in the beach. I'm kind of a beach guy myself, and so as you can see, yeah, there you go, kind of wet, about to get burned by the sun if you stay so long. But yeah, the beach is okay. Not that, you know, it's not a beach that they're asking entrance fee for to get in. So we just asked the lady, it's a restaurant, and we just asked the lady, hey, could we just get in and take a dip? And yeah, she allowed us to. We didn't have to pay for the table, we didn't have to pay for the entrance. No, didn't have to order any food because, you know, we just want to eat somewhere else. And so yeah, we got in for free. I took a dip for free and about 10 minutes or so. And yeah, that was about it. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Remember mga bay, one ride, one catch, one bite at a time. See you on the next video.